Guys, it's good to be back. It's been a wee while since I've done a video. Trying to think what's been going on. I think I mentioned in my last video that we were still in a lockdown, but in the last couple of weeks I've been able to go back to work, so that's been good. But the focus of today's video is I have the very last can. So Gary from Homebrew guy Gary kindly sent me some beer a few weeks ago now, and this is the very last one. And as you can see here, it is unmarked, so I didn't have any idea what was in here, but after contacting Gary, he says it's going to be one of two beers. It's either going to be a Mexican lager or a Saison, so in for a nice surprise. So can's nice and tight, just come out of the fridge, so it's nice and cold, so we'll pour it up, and hopefully I know enough about beer to figure out whether it's a Mexican lager or Saison. If I can't, then yeah, I should probably give up brewing. Some people would probably say I should give up brewing anyway, but we'll see how this looks. So on appearance wise, I can't tell you much. Could still be either a Saison or a Mexican lager. Looks fantastic either way. Some beautiful carbonation streaming up there, and beautiful pillowy sort of, what do you got there? A nice solid one finger of head there, and beautifully clear as well. So thank you for this, Gary. Whatever the beer may be, I'm looking forward to trying them. Just a bit mesmerised by those bubbles streaming up there. So let's get a nose on it and yeah, see what it is. Cheers guys, hope you're all keeping well. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is, yeah, it's a Saison. It's not a Mexican lager. It's got that nice sort of spicy, sort of floral Saison aroma to it. Smells beautiful actually. It's been quite a while since I've had a Saison, to be fair. Well, that smells beautiful. So yep, my money's on a Saison. Gary can set me straight, if you can tell by the look of the beer, if I'm off, but I'm like 99% sure it is. So yeah, let's go back to that aroma again. It's beautifully nice and delicate, floral, sort of spicy on the nose, nice and clean on the aroma. So this, I'm not sure how old the beer is, so when you watch this, Gary, maybe just throw in the comments yeah, what sort of age this is. I did try and find a video on your channel, but I couldn't find a Saison video, so not sure if you even did one. So cheers, let's dive in. Oh, that's nice. Tastes like it's got a little bit of age on it. Just a wee hint of, I was going to say just a wee bit oxidized perhaps, but like barely perceivable, and that's probably purely down to the age. The fact the beer's been around the world a couple of times. But no, that's tasting really good, and I'm getting that spiciness coming through again. Quite fruity as well. It's got like it's sort of fruity up front, and then you get like that spice behind it. I say spicy, sort of peppery sort of flavour. But very crisp and refreshing. You know, perfect summer or hot weather beer. Fortunately, it's meant to be, what are we now? It's October, so we're the second month of spring, but the weather's not playing ball. but it's still fairly warm. It's about 22 degrees Celsius, and this is the sort of, you know, the sort of beer that you want to be drinking at this time of year. See if I can get anything else. I'm not a huge expert. I'm not an expert on any beers, but don't have a lot of experience with saisons. I obviously had saisons in the past. It's been quite a while. Don't get a lot of commercial examples in New Zealand, unfortunately. Yeah, what else can I tell you about it? Just, yeah, really, really clean, crisp, fresh. Might have just maybe got, when I said it had a little touch of oxidization, I might be getting that mixed up with the Saison flavour that's all coming through. Yeah, some real nice floral notes as well coming through on the flavour. But yeah, holding that head nicely. Beautiful, beautiful looking beer. I think you've done a really good job on that, Gary. I could only imagine when it was a lot, you know, fresher, you know, it would taste even better. Be really keen to find out what sort of age this is now. In fact, I'm not 100% sure how well saisons age up. Do they have a good sort of lifespan, or should you drink them within a certain period of time? Slightly earthy as well, earthy along with that floral and the spice. So yeah, that's fantastic. So thank you very much for that, Gary. So that's the last of the beers. I've enjoyed them all. Some really interesting and unique beers, and that's a great thing about home brewing and home brewers in general. You get to make whatever you feel like, whatever your heart desires, whatever your mind can create, and then you can try it out, because after all, you're only doing a small batch. Commercial breweries often can't do that. You know, they need to make what sells. They're doing large batches. If it fails, and you know, it's a lot of money down the drain. But we can obviously take a lot more liberties and risks and trial and error, and we can make what we like. So yeah, okay guys, I'm starting to waffle. We're up to 8 minutes. So thank you, Gary. Thanks for everyone watching. I will be brewing over the weekend, either Saturday or Sunday. So it's been a while since I've brewed, and I am gonna use the old rig here for a change, but I won't tell you exactly what I'm doing. Hopefully you'll be intrigued enough to watch the brew day video over the next couple of days. And until then, take care, enjoy your weekend, and we'll catch you next time. Over and out. Cheers.